pushes it a certain direction, but as it springs backwards, the wood just completely fails and crumbles, and this thing comes back and just, you know, nails me right in the brim of my helmet, and then onto my arms and legs. So no major injury. He's doing a tree by me. You can see here as I take it. It's a pretty long top, and it just taps that alder, and that thing just comes right back at me. And I guess, you know, a lot of guys in the woods have this problem, especially when you're felling trees. Trees will kind of sneak out of the woods and come back and nail you. So, you know, in hindsight, and you'll see here, I take the top and I think all is well. I'm not looking at that alder at all. So it just comes out of nowhere. So going on in the future, I'm definitely going to be paying more attention to that sort of thing. Because, yeah, that was pretty painful. No major injuries, but I mean, you can see my brain trying to come back online here. I'm fumbling, I'm dropping all my stuff. So it shook me up. My helmet, thank God I was wearing that. That did a really good job protecting me. My Protos just kind of brushed the brim of it. But anyways, yeah, hope that helps, guys. Hope you don't make that same mistake, and could have been a lot worse. So be safe, guys.
I thought it would just brush it, but it just broke it.
Break over your flip line? Or
No, on my helmet.
what?
Like square in the helmet, and then on my knee and my hand. Wow. Ugh. Jeez, man. Yeah, I'm good, but like, jeez, that hurt. No, I'm good.